All right, let's get this day started. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to day 2. Thank you all for coming back to our second day. Tuesday, our speakers and our breakout groups focused on the background and the landscape around mental health in Black communities, in particular the impact of racism on access to and for appropriate care. Today, our speakers will lay the groundwork for our breakout groups to discuss and propose next steps. We'll start with Lee Felton, who will tell about the internal processes that Microsoft is evolving to develop AI responsibly and ethically. Ehi Nosakare will dig deeper into how societal bias shows up when you try to use AI for mental health. And this is based on her work at MIT and Microsoft. And then we'll finish up the day with Teresa Nguyen, who will talk with us about building cultural competency in technology and communities via the work that she's doing at Mental Health America. Desmond will be here again to help me with MC duties, but we're going to get right into it. But before I do hand it over to Lee, I have some items of housekeeping. First off is a reminder to take care of yourself. With another murder of a Black man by police, Walter Wallace, whose family called because of a mental health crisis, and in the midst of this pandemic and all the other turmoil in the world, my hope is that the workshop can be a safe place for us to connect and build hope and build resiliency for better outcomes. But we are all impacted by what is going on. So please take breaks, step away from the computer, drink some water, meditate. Whatever you need to do, please do that. I want to thank Heather Dowdy and Lex Barbosa for the fun and relaxing mixer that we had yesterday. I wish more of you could have been there for it. We had a really good time and we learned some sign language. It was great. I want to thank all of our speakers for Tuesday and for all of you who participated in the discussion groups. I wasn't quite sure. We all weren't really quite sure what would happen. That's what's exciting about these events. And it was phenomenal. I'm really excited about the conversations that we're having and that I really hope we will continue to have. And so to that point, I really want to clarify that this is not a focus group for Microsoft to create a new product. The planning committee chose to bring all of us together to listen, to build community, to learn, and to create awareness. If there is a product coming out of all of this, we want it to be a report and videos that will be shared broadly and that we all have contributed to. We want to co-create something that we're all proud of and that creates ripples of change beyond Microsoft. So it's not and throughout our communities. And finally, if you have any technical questions, please reach out on the general Teams channel for the workshop or email @events. And a reminder that closed captioning is available within Teams. There's a closed caption button. Please ask questions as each of our presenters are talking. You can ask in the Q&A channel. Desmond and I will voice those questions and we'll be displaying those. We'll be promoting them. We're going to handle them a little bit differently today so you can see what other people are asking before we ask them. And just a final reminder, the AI for Accessibility program has 2 upcoming deadlines for applications. 15 December is related to cities and transportation, and 12 March is related to education. And if you're curious about the projects we've already funded on mental health, please look at our website, aka.ms/AI4A.